In this video, I'm going to introduce you to progress measurements in 4castplus. Measuring project progress is instrumental both for the calculation of earned value metrics and also for submitting progress reports to stakeholders. To start, I'm going to open this Sussex water treatment project, which first takes me to the project's dashboard. In the middle panel here, you can see that the percent complete of this project is currently 17.16%. Let's dig a bit deeper to find out how that was calculated. To do that, I'm going to open the Progressing tab. This is the area of the project where users can enter incremental progress measurements and forecasts throughout the life of the project. Progress measurements in 4castplus are period-based. This means that you measure project progress in successive periods, such as monthly. You can see up here that my current progressing period end is set to April 30th. Once this progress measurement is completed, I can hit this Submit button. Submitting the progress measurement will lock down this period and save all project data at that point in time. And then I can move to the next period by creating the next progress measurement. Measuring progress is done uniquely for each activity on the project. I'll expose the progress method column to show you what I mean by that. 4castplus provides a wide variety of methods of automatically calculating progress using the underlying algorithm for the assigned progress method. Each method will determine percent complete based on the rules and data setup for each activity. Some example progress methods shown here are percent units complete, rules of credit, weighted steps, value of work done, percent budget spent, earned as planned, and there are many more. You can also use direct entry if you don't want the system to automatically calculate progress. You can additionally import progress from an external file. As the project executes over time, these values for percent complete will update in real time, giving you a continuous picture of project status, performance, and progress. To show all this more visually, I'll bring up an S-curve. In this chart, I have the cash flow plan for the project budget showing on the blue line. The actual costs are showing in yellow. I'll also bring in the earned value curve. Earned value is a representation of project progress taken from the progress measurements at each progress period. This vertical bar here represents the current progress measurement period end date. I can select prior progressing periods by selecting that period here. As you can see, the vertical bar and chart curves have updated to reflect that point in time. 4castplus provides many reports and dashboards that enable you to analyze and report on project performance, status, and progress. Feel free to contact us to learn more.